Welcome to the room. How are you? I'm sure you saw QuickBooks. And so if you have any questions, raise your hand and come up. But QuickBooks is one of the most easiest accounting software. And I wanted to let everybody know that now they've rolled it out around the world, not just in the US. They have it for every country. So you'll be able to customize it and get all your books organized in terms of your inventory if you're using that, or if you're doing invoicing, you want to look official, um you can officially you can organize all your finances no matter what country you are in. You'll be able to get your banks connected. I believe the one I did this morning was in Ghana. I trained somebody. I'm in Chicago, USA. I was able to train someone in Ghana, and we were able to set up all his chart of accounts, all his inventory, invoicing, which I was so pleased with because I was able to have a steady internet and teach him how to use it. And so he can monitor all his business from out here in the US while he's here with his business shop that he has in Ghana. And so now with all these technology, there's no reason why we shouldn't have all our books organized. So QuickBooks is not just in the US anymore, it's in every single country. But there's a specific way to set it up. So talk to your accountant in your various country. Clubhouse happen to be a global platform, and most of them are. And I'm so happy to let folks know that QuickBooks is everywhere now, not just in the US. So, HD, you have a question for me?
Yeah, exactly. Hi,
How
first of all,
may I
hi,
help
how are you?
you?
How's your day?
I said, how may I help you?
Could you hear me?
Hello?
I'm here.
Yes, I can hear you. How may I help you? You have a question?
Yeah. First, I want to thank you. That's like a good topic, you know. Uh,
Okay.
Now, and I will like I want to ask you about like like I'm looking for uh classic like books, you know.
You mean you need a QuickBooks class
Yeah, like
to learn?
where can I find like this kind of books?
Okay, so this is a program, it's an accounting software. Is that what you need? It's for accounting software for businesses. Do you have a business?
No, no, not at all.
What country are you in?
What kind of?
What country?
I'm from Mauritania, but right now I'm in
Okay,
Morocco.
okay. So this is an accounting software. It's usually in the US, but right now they rolled it out around the world. So if you have a business, you use that software to track all your expenses and to make invoices for people to pay you. So it's not a physical book, it's an accounting software.
Okay, 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 okay.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. So if you ever
Okay.
get a business, you never know. If you ever decide to do a business, that is the accounting software that will help you.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah. So that's all I came in here to tell folks. And anybody else with question, Mohammed, I think is it Mohammed? Yeah. If you have a question, feel free to come on the stage and ask me. I see you are from Malaysia. Here we go. It's a whole new around the world today for me. How are you, Mohammed?
I'm fine, thank you so much, Juliana. I don't know what's the time at your place. Here it's morning. It's good morning, I would say, or good evening.
Yes.
What's the time at here?
It's 6 o'clock p.m. So good evening, but it doesn't matter. It's morning somewhere.
I see. I see. Okay.
How
Uh,
may I help
Here,
yeah.
you?
here it's midnight.
Basically,
What's your question, please?
I have been trying QuickBook, back and forth for an NGO. But
Uh-huh.
I was not because the my account in my NGO is kind of massive channels of income, and
Yeah. They can handle it.
yeah, but earlier on, I connected the account to one to two bank accounts. But the
Mm-hmm.
problem is our transaction are small and massive. Yani. Let's say per day we may have 1,000 or 800 or sometime more, or some seasons we have more. So it's kind of impossible. It
Mm-hmm.
was wrong to connect the bank because cannot is not practical to click every and each transaction and categorize it. Uh,
Oh, there is a
so.
way. There is a way to do that, and this is what my training does. I have a training video that I teach. I've
Mm-hmm.
already pre-recorded all the training, so if you want, I can send you to my site where you can even buy just the categorizing video. I think it's like $97 because I broke the courses down by subjects, by topics. And let
Mm-hmm.
me put it up here. Just check it out, see if that can help you, or if you want a one-on-one class, I can do that as well.
I see. I see.
So it's called
Actually, bi-
Infinite
mm,
Biz Solutions. Let me put it up there before, because when I talk, I cannot it breaks it up. So infinitebizsolutions.com. If you go to this site and
mm,
let's see. If you go to this site, there will be a pop-up that will come up. That's a free video, 4-minute video that I'm giving everybody. But after that, you can go to the top where it says pre-recorded training. You will see the
mm,
QuickBooks as one of the pre-recorded thing, and you will see it breaks down. There's a way to do it so that I teach you how you can do a whole bunch of them at once.
I see. But actually, as I told you, it's kind of I don't know. You mean to automate the
Yes,
adding the transactions?
yes, yes.
I
And there's
see.
more. There's more. But if you don't automate it right, it will screw up. But there's a way I teach you how to
I see.
do it properly. Mm-hmm.
I see. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will have a look on the link you've sent to me. I save
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, it's right on here. It's I didn't do it directly, but I can also send it to you directly if you want. So
Yeah.
that you have it. I can send it to you directly in the back channel if you want. So
Uh,
you can check it whenever you are ready. So let me send it to you in a back channel.
okay.
Yeah. Malaysia, that's in Asia, right?
Yeah, that's Asia. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so over there you kind of use what kind of accounting do you follow? British or American?
American, I believe.
Okay, yeah, okay. So
Uh,
yeah, so it's probably similar to the QuickBooks USA. But when you sign up, it has the country, so you can choose which country you are in.
yeah, I see.
Mm-hmm. Okay?
Okay, and this is for the NGO that I have part time over there. And
Mm-hmm.
recently, I'm setting up a dairy factory whereby to produce yogurt and cheese and this kind of stuff.
Mhm.
and planning to supply the retailing shop
Mhm.
on small scale, maybe
Mhm.
about 50 customers.
Mhm.
Uh, so I was trying to figure out because here the customers that we have here, they are, I mean, I don't know whether they will accept if I send my drivers to deliver the stock. Will they
Mhm.
accept the soft copy of the bill or the invoice?
I
And
would say I would say you probably want to invoice them directly in an email.
yeah.
Everybody has email now. Have them pay you before you deliver.
This one it works bill to bill. You deliver first bill, and then
Uh-huh.
when you deliver the next bill, they will pay you the first one
Oh, okay. So what
because
you
it
do is
involves.
that
Uh,
you can invoice them, email the
uh,
invoice, and you also put the hard copy with the items that the people are delivering, so they have it twice.
so the hard copy, this one I'm figuring out because the driver will I equip him with a printer or how it goes because there is
No,
something. Yeah,
no,
there.
because you see,
Yeah.
everybody has email now, right?
Yes, but sometimes this stuff. I mean, they are Arabs who open mini marts here. It's
Mm-hmm.
kind of niche market. Is they are not.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, in Malaysia is 33 million people, and these Arabs here maybe they are 10, 20,000 people who
Mm-hmm.
are having some small businesses. So you may go there and see they just want a paper and pay you cash, and some of them
Okay,
deal with banks, some are not.
got it.
So they need the hard copy, and
Yeah, so
that's how.
so would you know the number of items that your drivers will be delivering? Would you know it ahead of time?
Uh, I didn't get it.
So,
Oh,
do you know how many items your drivers will be delivering? Say they want 50 boxes of yogurt. Would you know before they drive there?
sometime not. Sometime not. He need to invoice on the spot,
Okay,
because he
so
will go and check the stock. He need to
mhm,
access the system and issue invoice and key in the quantities and everything. If I
okay,
know, then it would. That's what I'm facing. If I know
okay.
that it would be printed, I mean, I would facilitate the factory with a printer, and then when before he moves, so
Mm-hmm.
he can already get the invoice or the bill, and just go and submit it to them. But
So,
sometimes, yeah.
so what I'm thinking is that what you could do is I'm giving you free consult here, so I'll send you the bill later. So
uh,
this is what you could do. Do you guys have Square over there? Do you have Square?
Square, what do you mean?
Yeah, it's a processor that we use to sell things here. So obviously you don't. But if you did, you could just invoice them on the spot because the QuickBooks Online, and then maybe have a small printer. They can hook the small printer to their that's too much though. Um, do you have maybe is you're gonna have to have a paper invoice and then type it in
Hey,
later in the computer.
let me I just there is something called handhold terminal with
Yeah,
thermal printer.
yes.
uh, my question is, will QuickBook be able to print on that thermal printer that is only about 5 cm width?
So check it out because the QuickBooks has the POS system. but that will take a little more digging to make sure that it will print on the thermal printer. So I think that I was thinking of the thermal printer too. So look into the thermal printer and see
Mm.
if you can hook it up to, say, an iPad.
Yeah, maybe I need to buy. It's come the thermal printer. It come the iPad itself. It's built-in thermal printer. It's with it actually.
Oh,
Uh,
then you can log into QuickBooks on the iPad, right?
yeah, you can log into the QuickBooks because
Yeah,
that
on
is an
iPad.
Android basically iPad or Android or
Yeah,
any device that has got Android. So from
yeah.
there, my curiosity was whether the system, the QuickBook or any accounting system can be integrated with this thermal printer and
I think
accept
so.
the dimension of it. Yeah.
I think so. So what you I can do, if you want, I can experiment with you, and maybe on me with me on the phone and knowing how to navigate the software, we can figure it out.
I see. Maybe I need to buy the this device first,
Mm-hmm.
and then from there I check because we may start
Before you buy
production.
it though, before you
Yeah.
buy it though, I will see if I can chat with somebody on QuickBooks on their website and ask
I
them,
see.
tell them the device and see to ask
Mm,
them what they print before you go spend the money on the device. And that will be your solution. I think it will
I
print.
see.
I'm confident it will print.
Okay, that would be appreciated.
I'll send
Because
you the bill. I'll send you the bill later.
okay, okay, okay.
So
All right.
I'm glad we were able to brainstorm this. But come back and tell me how it goes. I'll be excited to know.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure I will let you know.
Mhm. Also, I will let you get along because it's your son or daughter wants your attention there.
Yeah, yeah. He said the guy who cut the grass came and he want me to entertain him.
There you go.
So
So
okay, okay.
have a good day, okay?
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I followed you. I give you a follow, and
I
we
will
will be
too.
on touch.
Yes, Mohammed. Good luck with the business.
Hello.
I said good luck with the business.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind
Okay, stay in
advice.
touch.
Thank
All
you.
right.
All the best.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.
I'm going to end the room now. Thank you.